Welcome to this series of video instructional programs on basic hand tools. During your training period, you will be confronted with many types of tools which will assist you in the maintenance, overhaul, and manufacturing processes. Various tools have been in existence for hundreds of years. And even in today's high-tech world, some of those tools have changed very little. Every artisan, tradesman, or technician will eventually and inevitably have to buy and use certain tools. The tools you purchase will have to last many years and will probably be used every day. For this reason, buy best quality tools that carry a guarantee. The tools you buy, and that are used most commonly, are those known as hand tools, because you supply the energy with your hands to make them do useful work. This series of programs is therefore designed to assist you in recognizing those hand tools that you will commonly use. You will also learn the important aspects regarding safety with tools, and some important tips on tool maintenance will be discussed.